It's a bit of a gloomy evening, but I thought I'd quickly show the board that I'd seen others use to pull all of their stock-proof fencing. I think this timber is something like a 3B1, and it came off the effectively like the pallet of timber posts that got delivered. So simply all we've done is drilled 4 holes through to take a bolt. I drilled the holes in the timber ever so slightly larger, just for when you're lining 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts up. Obviously they're not always exact, the holes, when you're drilling them, like at a slight angle, so I made them just ever so slightly larger, and then it was a simple case of place a bit of timber either side of the fence, and then bolt through, and then knack it right down. So I'd have one bit that side, and then one bit the other side, and then I would bolt it through. So bolt it down tight, and you can see on that board, you can see the impression of all the wires. Obviously this has been the inside face. So yeah, just that. So 2 bits of timber and 4 bolts. Then put 1 meter lifting straps. So I've just put one in the second hole down effectively here, and then another one down at the bottom. Then I linked them back to just a small shackle through the quick hitch of the 8-ton machine that I showed in the other video. I've just used the arm and the quick hitch just to get the fence somewhere in position, get it aligned. It's helpful to have somebody standing the fence up, but she'll go that way when you start to get tension in it anyway. And then just ease back on the tracks of the machine. And then now this section here, I haven't got the section picked up or stapled in, but it's tight. It's really tight as it is, and none of that is stapled, and it's really tight in. So I found that a success. That you can buy, I guess if you're doing it professionally, you can buy these fabricated from there'll be some form of galvanized material. I'd imagine steel, and then you can just drop them round and like bolt them, tighten them up. I think they're on there. I think there might have been, I don't know, 120, 130 pounds on that. But 2 bits of timber that came with the pallet of posts, and some bolts from Toolstation that'll probably, with the washers and the bolts, they'll probably cost about, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 quid. And it's worked absolutely fine. It's certainly not my idea. There's lots of other videos on there of lads doing it exactly the same, which is obviously where I got it. But simple, effective, and it worked.